Hey guys, so I just got this outdoor cycling smart sensor phone mount and it has a speaker on it too. I don't think I'll be able to show you the speaker because I'm using my phone to record this video to show you guys it. But so this is what it looks like. So you can see the speaker on the back here, and then it's got this which will hold it onto here. So I'm gonna assemble it here for you guys, and so it might take me a second here because I got to put together this whole thing. Okay, so how this works, I'm looking through the instructions here. Okay. Cool. Okay, so this will essentially go around wherever I want it on the bike. So let's put it right here, for example. I'm just gonna do this to show you guys kind of an example of it, but you'll understand how it works. So I put the screw in through there, and then I put the bolt on the back, and well, actually it goes up like that. So I have big tape around mine here because I normally like my grip tape on it. But it fits, oh yeah, it fits with it too. Okay, so I got that on there, and then this essentially, you undo this here, and then I just put this through there and then twist on the back here. And so that was just, I put a nut on the back here. That nut goes in there with that, and then you twist it on. Sweet. There we go. So that was super easy installation here. And it's got the button there to make sure it turns on, and essentially I can't show you guys how the phone goes on here, but so it'll fit the phone on here for you, and it goes out, so it'll hold one of those big phones. It can move around if you want to adjust it. It's got that nice adjuster there, and then what also is cool is it comes with this. So if I wanted to mount it somewhere far away, I could mount it over here, and I could mount it, way over here on the side of my bike, or up here higher, wherever I want to kind of adjust it. So that's super easy there. It comes with those, and especially if you want to bolt it onto your bike itself, you can do that too. They have some things for that. But I would recommend putting it on like this, and then you can just take it off or on as you please. But this is nice, and it obviously has the MagSafe here to hold your phone on it, and it'll hold whatever style phone, however big or small it is. And what the cool part about this is it's got this speaker on the back, and then also it has kind of the app that works with it. And so the app will, it'll sense where you are sort of, and it's just a smart sensor. So that's really cool. I mean, I like this, and I'm gonna use this on my road bike here. Hey guys, so I'm back here with the speaker mount, and I wanted to do another video to show you guys what it sounds like. So I have my other phone here, and I'm going to turn it on.
Power on.
So that's what it sounds
Induction
like.
mode.
And then if I want to switch it, and it just has these buttons here, and if I want to switch it to Bluetooth, you just click the button.
Bluetooth mode.
And there, now we're in Bluetooth mode. And then I found it here, so I can connect to it here.
Bluetooth connected.
There you go, so then that confirms it. And then I'll just play a little part of my video, one of my videos, so you can hear it. But it was super easy. I mean, you just put in there's just little bolts that you just twist around, put in each of these. And what I like, it's loud. And what I like about it is that you can hear it facing yourself too. So when it's going to be mounted on my bike here, you can hear it kind of coming back at you, and so it's like still loud towards you and not just out. And what's nice is on the bottom it has these, and it's perfect for my phone. Will keep it from scratching the ground. You just do that. So it'll be nice, and then it has these little. It has pads on the side too to keep your phone held in there. So this is perfect. I mean, this is great for my phone, and I give it, and for my bike, and I give it a thumbs up.